For our house tour today, I will show you one bungalow house and lot for sale here in this subdivision. Hi, good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Jane Magante of Arisim Realty. So this is just a continuation of my previous vlog. Yes, kung napanood nyo po yung previous vlog ko, which is video number 74 and 75, we're here in the same subdivision. Yes, so this lot, marami po kasing nagtanong sa akin last time if there is available lot only. So, yes, meron po tayong available na lot only. And this is one of the available here. This is a perimeter lot, 297 square meter. Ang frontage po niya is 23.77 meters. And dito sa side niya, by the way, this is irregular cut. Irregular cut meaning hindi siya square or ano. I will send to you if you're interested. I will just send to you the map. Yes, the lot plan of this property. So, this lot is selling for 13,500 per square meter, guys. So, if you're interested, again, just message me on my contact details. Only for cash payment, guys. Yes, this is only for cash. And if you want installment, we still have available here, lot only. One corner lot and one inner lot. So, guys, if you're interested for the lot only, this is it, guys. We have available for cash or for installment. Okay, so we will go next to our house for sale, also here in the same subdivision. Yung previous vlog ko is already sold and the one is ongoing na yung transaction. So, let's go for another tour. This is our house for sale. Again, this is located in a gated subdivision at Barangay Manggahan, General Trias, Cavite, along Governor's Drive. Few minutes away from malls, hospitals, schools, and market. Okay, this house has a lot area of 150 square meters, 3 bedroom and 2 toilet and bath. Okay, pasok po tayo. This is the living room. Included na ang ating mga aircon and yung TV, sofa. This is the master's bedroom, the bedroom 1. We have toilet and bath here in the master's bedroom. This is the bedroom 2. Hindi lahat ay included. Not all are included, guys. So, siguro pag-uusapan na lang natin yan. Okay, so this is the bedroom 3. Again, there is aircon. And this is the common toilet and bath. Yung sofa kasama, and then yung mga naka-attach na mga aircon, so included din yan. But not all are included, guys, so it depends sa mapapag-usapan natin. Okay, so there is an extension here. This is the dining area. So may aircon din dito. And this is the kitchen. And dun sa kabilang side, dun po yung ating laundry. Hindi na lang namin napasok. Okay, let's recap. This house has a lot area of 150 square meters, 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath with 1 car park, upgraded with some furnitures and appliances, constructed 10 years ago. Price is 4.9 million cash. Pwede rin pong pasalo, if pasalo, 3.9 million cash, and then per bank financing, it's 14,846.78 per month. Okay guys, for the property owner na nagpapahanap, na nagpapatulong na mabenta yung inyong property, just message me guys. I will be happy to help you. Yes guys, and also to the buyers, if you're looking, kung hindi nyo nakikita dito sa aming vlogs, you can still call me or message me guys, because pwede naman po tayo kahit saan. Yes, if you have a preferred location, just tell me guys. And for your budget, for the location, hahanapan natin yan guys. Tutulungan namin kayo para mahanap yung property that fits your preference and budget. Please don't forget to subscribe. And also, click the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo every time we have new videos. Thanks for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!